Stop! If your contractor tells you this is normal, fire them immediately. This is called honeycombing. It happens when they don't use a concrete vibrator during the pour. It leaves air pockets. Oxygen and moisture get in, rust your rebar, and suddenly your structural column loses its strength. The fix? Ensure they vibrate the concrete while pouring, not after. It removes the air bubbles and packs it tight. Don't pay for hollow columns. Demand a smooth finish. Structural integrity isn't optional. Building your dream house? Subscribed so you don't get scammed on the site.